Hello, you guys. How are you guys doing? I hope you guys are doing awesome and amazing. You guys, we're gonna get right into this. You know your story, leave it where it be if it's not for you. Thank you guys for being here with me. You guys are awesome and amazing. I hope everybody is having an amazing weekend so far. Oh, it's almost over, but the weekend is almost over. But something's almost over. Something else is almost over. It could be a like a an investigation about an unaliving. Something like that. You know your story. Leave it where it be if it's not for you. Mm-mm-mm-mm. We got fortune, consolation, sweetheart, widower, false person, and Malachi with an older woman. But the older woman and the younger woman work together to block a message. To block a message. To block some information about a funeral or unalive in here. Wedding. Yeah, somebody was, whoever this masculine is, he could have been, he's under some type of contract. I'm getting like he's passed over though. He's under some type of contract to bring like you sadness and to have you like stuck in your mind or something. They're supposed to stick something in your mind. Cause somebody made you got control of yourself and your fortune. But it's like this energy is seeing like the beauty of you, beauty in you, or something like that. I'm hearing, yeah, this energy could be passed over. Yeah, somebody did some work. The merchant owner. There's somebody else. They did some work for the owner. This mature woman and a young woman. But this mature woman, when she was younger, she could have been in a car wreck. She could have been in a car wreck and almost passed for being fake to a sweetheart. I mean, somebody's name began with an A. Um, yeah, somebody ordered a car service. Somebody didn't know the order of some type of service or something, and something backfired. Somebody was in a car wreck, and I'm hearing the color purple could be significant. The movie, um, God is trying to tell you something about this spouse person. They were trying to unalive you. They were trying to like sacrifice you. Yeah, and they thought they were gonna get some type of fortune or some shit like that. Oh, they trying to silence you. I'm hearing Agnes or Agnes, Alicia. Yeah, Agnes, or Alicia or something, or A. Yeah, they sick. They worried about going to jail. Somebody's in a mental prison. Somebody's in like some overwhelming sadness. Somebody need to watch their alcohol intake, or somebody watched you intake something. They watched you ingest something. Yeah, because somebody wanted to control you or some shit. This false person, they could have been trying to mirror you. Yeah, they want to control over like your vessel or some shit, or control to be able to go through some type of portal. Somebody's astro traveling. Somebody was trying to plant I'm hearing hustle and flow. You know it's hard out here for a pimp when they trying to get the money for the rent. And the Cadillacs, money spent. And a whole lot of bitches talking shit. So they been talking shit. Well, they thought this was gonna get them rich because they gas money and all that shit was spent. This could have been a friend of yours that y'all could have partied with or something, but this person was fake. Something about your sister right here too. Yeah, your sister's sad and sorrow, or is the reason for your sadness or your sorrow. Yeah, you could be finding this out or learning this. Learn about the situation. Something about this sister is studying you. Pleasure seeker. Yeah, they're fake. It's like they're trying to cloak themselves in your energy. Yeah, or they had you cloaked or something. Your cloak done came off. Something came off. Something is over. Rise of God. Rise of God. We got I'm getting the 3 of Cups. Got love and reunion. The rise of God. Turned your light down. So I'm getting like the rise of Baal. The rise of Baal. Yeah, they got some type of it's like they took something from you and they did some type of work. Could have been like on your love life, or people loving you. They could even did something to your body, your legs. Something about how you walk. People jealous of how you walk or something, so they want something. It's like they shooting these arrows at you, and they're teaming up to do this. Yeah, to take something from you and let it be brought back to them. I don't know. So they connecting to Baal. Yeah, because they think they are better than you. They looking down on you. Somebody see you're healing though. But they thought they were gonna get a lot of good luck and fortune. Or somebody try to implant something in you, so you would like go to like try to run to some type of instant gratification, like a hurried like outcome, so you would receive like love or something. I don't know, but like I said, I don't know if you drink or party with these people. Watch a cool alcohol intake. Work, play, rest, repeat. Work, play, rest, repeat. That's what they kept doing. But yeah, this is ending for this person and they're sad. They got some type of message that you done moved on. Something, you released something. Something was released that was causing you like pain and sorrow and had you stuck. Somebody wants you to fall in love with a demon or some shit. Room. Yeah, somebody's surprised. Yeah, somebody's surprised that you're not lustful. Because they were hoping, look, I'm telling you, that you will be working with this damn demon for gifts and wealth and all that old shit. So they were trying to attach something to you. I'm hearing like a chip from Akron. Akron. An Akron chip. So if you would have rised up with this death energy, worked with it, yeah, it's like you most definitely would have failed. You most definitely would have, it would have blocked your light. Like somebody, I'm getting like ass above, so below. Somebody wants you to be so below. You hear me? They didn't want you to be of the light. They want you to be of the dark. But you could have made a decision that. I'm hearing what's that song? Kirk Franklin, Silver and Gold. Somebody rather have their God, you hear me, than silver than gold. Silver and gold, whatever. That's what I'm getting. Yeah, and somebody's about to see something happen in your life and see what you and your God are made of, is what I'm getting. They finna witness this connection. Somebody tried to connect with you when they witnessed some shit. So somebody could try to astro travel to you. Yeah. Somebody's obsessed, boy. Here they go trying to astro travel. It could have been the damn Akron demon, whatever, honey. Yeah, trying to do some work on you. To connect to your gift. Two wrongs got a dark history. Two wrongs got a dark history, a dark past you never knew. Yeah, because you didn't know the law of the, or somebody don't know the law of the sun or some shit. Yeah, joyfulness here. Yeah, you happy and continue where you are. You ain't got to do all that drinking and drugging and all that. Somebody wanted you to be like that and that energy or some shit. Ooh, look, they were just waiting and watching. When is it going to happen? When is it going to take? Yeah, somebody know that you have like some type of angelic shield here. Yeah, whatever you working with, because somebody, okay, a mature woman was trying to come into your room, into your space or something. That ass got a something. Yeah, she learned today, you hear me? Got kicked back. You probably didn't even say nothing. You probably didn't even do, I don't see you. But her ass went flying. I said that the other day. Or they seen something. They could have been looking in your room or outside your house. They seen something in the air working with you. Or they may have seen your ass floating. Hell, I don't know. What is going on with people? Somebody was surprised. Oh, they flew and called the police. Somebody could be calling the police or telling some type of authority something about you. What? Yeah, you got some type of angelic shield and like different dimension. You got like different dimensional. You shield from like a lot of celestial like connections through like different dimensions. People trying to connect with you like through different different dimensions. They're hoping to. Boy, they are hoping to, but they see you're very gifted. Yeah, and it's the ending of this energy taking something from you and bringing it back to somebody else. Yeah, because you found some type of balance in your life. Oh, oh wow. Let me hold up. Somebody bringing back bodies for gifts, bringing back people's souls for gifts or something. Somebody could have unalived like 5 people. Something happened 5 years ago. Look, a death. It came out in reverse. Not a woman, it was a man. Yeah, somebody was doing some work to unalive somebody because oh, so this is the energy that they trying to, yeah, make them do some type of work to take something from you. So somebody want this energy to connect you to connect with this energy so this energy could like block your gifts or block your blessings or some shit like that. But it's like the energy trying to connect and tell you what the hell going on because they got some type of love for you. Terminated 5 heartbeats. The 5 heartbeats terminated. Somebody terminated 5 heartbeats. We got courtship, mature man, unexpected income. Yeah. You connected to this man. If he was, or this energy, he was supposed to place something, some type of chip that would have you like wandering lost. They would have control over you. Now they're concerned about because this is somebody's lover. When they want a relationship, they know that this person was taken from you or something. Yeah, in the past. A lot of your energy, your money. Yeah, pathway. Yeah. But they can't do that no more. And this person is unalive. This person done a lot of, look, because they want to be privileged so bad, they done did a lot of work to unalive a lot of people. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 butterflies. I'm telling you, it's like 5, look, 5 souls. For a good life. It's for a so-called good life. You hear me? I'm gonna say 12, but 11, 12, that's Pisces energy. In the past, this person was a hidden enemy. You figuring out their secrets and stuff about them astro traveling and all of those stuff into your energy. Something about 1124 and 1142. 11. That's 2. That twins. Twin. Somebody, your twin was mirroring you. Take the 11. Yeah, it's a portal. 11 and 11, and then 24, 42. Yeah, so somebody's twin was mirroring you. Somebody in your family. What are you saying? Look, okay. Main female, false as hell. 82. 82 could be significant. Yeah, you were masked. You were masked or cloaked or whatever. Yeah, because somebody knew that you were a gifted child. But I'm getting like you getting a new beginning and you're receiving your gift. Yeah. But they were trying to block you. Somebody was trying to block your new beginning and your gifts. Like I said, that was their expectation. Somebody didn't question. Somebody didn't question the order of things. Somebody. Somebody didn't order. Okay, they didn't order. Didn't do something in order. Didn't question the order of things. When it comes to the Akron or something, Archon, whatever it is, honey. Somebody could be racist. It's something about 88. White supremacy or some shit. The owner. Wow. Somebody's connected to the, I don't know. Yeah, the designer. To cloak a main female in the past for her energy. Whoever this is, well, let me get one. This is the owner right here. What's going on? Yeah, he in despair about this contract with your family. Okay. Oh wow, because somebody realized somebody was a false person. The second one is a false person. 88. That's an 8. And this is the second one. The second one is a false person. Deeply ordinary. Nothing special. Born small. The runt. Somebody might could have been premature. Somebody born in April. Somebody got a kid in April. The privileged lady. 12. Didn't I say 12? Okay. The privileged lady's in despair. Yeah, because this contract with your family has changed. Yeah, she not hearing her on. I told you her ass is the runt, not special, not ordinary. Whatever, honey. April. That's crazy because I got a child in April. My mom got a child that's born in April, and my sister has a child that's born in April. Your family. Ain't that about something? But they been so. Your family or whoever this false person is in your family, they most definitely been mirroring you, causing a lot of chaos in your energy and your life. Something was removed though. I'm hearing Timmy Turner. He be looking for a burner to kill him, and I'm uncle. You know it's on the burn. Yeah, cause what's he fucking for BET? I don't know. Somebody wanted to be famous and shit or something, or they thought that you would do that, and they would infect you, or you would get sick, or like take on their burden because they know their soul is in the furnace. Yeah, they ass on the line. They ass gonna burn up. So he or she, take it how it resonate, or they both are looking for somebody to burn, or to take the fall, or to make sick. They're trying to make an offer or try to sacrifice you because they know that their ass is on the line. Yeah. Introvert. You could be an introvert. Somebody's watching you online. Somebody is upset So they want to rob and take something from you so bad. They can't rob you or, yeah, look, your damn family. Hey, throw the whole damn family away. You hear me? Throw the whole damn family away. Trying to overindulge in your energy. Yeah, with they real prideful ass trying to gain your gift, your promotion, your blessings, your desires. Oh, somebody even offered somebody a new car. Somebody got a new car. Yeah, and they were coached to like come and make you angry. Or, you know, like cause all that bullshit that happened in your life. Yeah, and it could have worked. Somebody got good news. That's the part. It's a miracle that you figured it out this time, or you're figuring something out, honey, because you got the victory here. Even though you didn't know. Yeah, so somebody try to pay somebody. And the agreement was to reconcile or to attach something to you and cause a curse, you know, so you could be misfortune. Looks, and they would be able to control you if they place this, whatever this is in your dream state, in your mind, your subconscious, the Chiron chip or whatever. Yeah, and they will collect money, collect your energy, collect your whole persona, your soul. It didn't work out. And somebody, if they got a new car, they got to get that car back. Give me that car back. Get my gift. What somebody said. Look, give it back. The car. Look, I'm telling you, you know they won't go in the bed. Give it back. Their desires were not met. Yeah, because they couldn't take nothing from you. They couldn't steal your fucking joy. Yeah, I'm getting like, just be forgiving of these people. Yeah. And if you got them blocked, keep them blocked. And if you're going towards them to confront them, don't do it. You hear me? Just stop. Think about it. Pause, okay? And look, cast they fucking ass away. Fuck them people. You hear me? Fuck them. They homeless, broke, poor, any damn way. And look at you. Okay. Shit. Let it go. Fuck them. Let it go. Now they feel like a victim. They feel like a victim. How they the damn victim? Look, the third wheel enemy. They feel like a victim because they ass is in isolation by themselves, being bullied, discussed, talked about. Yeah, and they promised that they would like attack your memory, I'm telling you, or your mind. So they had resonate and they would gain merit off you. They work very hard. Somebody's under judgment, getting karma for trying to connect to you, attach something to your soul. Like what? Look, this false person is going through a lot of tower moments. For partnering up with the darkness. You see that light in the middle. She was partnering up with somebody over in the dark to dim your light. Now they feel like a victim. They fell for the trap. They fell for the okie doke. A couple lost. The white supremacy people, whoever, or your family, take care of right here. They might be agents and look, I'm telling you, look, the couple lost. That's right. They were trying to do binding spells and shit. They're trying to bind to your memory and shit. Look, to cause conflict. Or bind to your gifts. Take out resonate. You figured out the mystery. Bind yourself to your new contract. You getting a new contract? Yeah, because you persevere. Somebody want to work with you or something. Yeah, because we gotta live and learn. Because somebody done learned or they know about what you experienced or something. Somebody been following you. Yeah, they've been learning about your suffering. They learned. What about the darkness? Oh, they learned about people astro trap. Somebody, that's somebody else. Look like somebody stressed out, having headaches and shit. Somebody want to support you. They stressed out, but they feel like, you're not going to like want to work with them or something. Yeah, we got a friend. There's a friend or somebody that indulges in a lot of tarot. They watch a lot of tarot. Friend, family member, to try to like get some type of support or direction on which way to go. Yeah, it's stressing them out. They getting confused. They having headaches, lack of sleep. They scared. They in the darkness. I told you. Oh, they got that message that they asked. Oh, yeah, that you done healed, and now they gotta face this darkness that's coming for their ass. Timmy Turner. Look for a burner. Killing money walking. Burn. The darkness done came for their ass. They try to make an offering. Cause they scared. It's the, they control the pain. They control the pain. It's not personal, or is it? They control the pain in somebody's head or the pressure. Somebody could be having like stressful nights or pain at night. It's like they are controlling that. I guess through the the nano chip. Why I keep saying a nano chip? I don't know what it is, an acorn or whatever. That's how they were getting your parent. We got Parenthood patron or a patron, honey. Saint John the Baptist. Saint John the Baptist. Saint John the Baptist is learning or experiencing some type of I don't know, somebody Baptist or their name John, but it's like they're telling somebody to support the lamb. Support the lamb or something like it. It's like Jesus, Mother Mary, and God or somebody. Yeah, because the deaf God is stressed out. Yeah, so somebody, okay, so that's like good and evil. Yeah, fate, something fate just happened. Somebody's a fortune teller. Yeah, man, somebody's a fortune teller. But it's like you're a good fortune teller. You're friendly. You get support, and somebody was trying to steal that from you, trying to say like you were like you were dark, because they were blinded about. They didn't see, I guess they didn't see you for who you were at first or whatever. Now they see you for who you are. Yeah. And now this person could be desiring you. Excellent. I'm telling you something about. Okay, so somebody could be learning that somebody was taking your energy unfairly. I'm telling you, was trying to do something to your legs or you moving forward. Because somebody love how the fuck you walk or something like that, honey. Look. I don't know, honey, your shape or something. They like, oh, okay. They ready to plant that seed. So somebody did something. Did some graveyard work or something. Did something. Somebody unalive somebody too, and they know they going to jail. Whoever, somebody was in an accident. Didn't I already say that? Somebody was in an accident. They going to jail. Because they see you okay. By your damn self. But they planted some type of seed to block you from getting into relationships or engaging with people. Well, they didn't do nothing but let you find inner peace. You hear me? And they still want your ass. If somebody did something to your legs, or honey, I don't know, they like the way you walk. You hear me? What's that? You? I'm hearing you. Baby, it's you. The way you walk, the way you talk, the way you say my name, whatever. Yeah, what is going on? Somebody jealous about how somebody walk. Your walk is getting too much attention, honey. You had all these eyes on you, and they didn't see that person. The other person right there. They ain't like that. They ain't like that. That's somebody who you are connected to. This person also could have slept with your soulmate, your friend, or whoever. They slept with your soulmate. False person. They lying. They pretended like they didn't, but they did. Ooh, somebody saying, but that was a stressful night when it happened. Somebody didn't even want to show their face to the other person. Somebody was ready to get somebody sick to cause stagnation. Somebody trying to give somebody a disease to weaken them and stress them out. Whoever the third wheel enemy is, they could have tried to infect your real person so they wouldn't commit to you. Yeah, to dim your light and their light or whatever. Because it ain't no up above. They like below. You hear me? They dark as shit. Yeah. They did something where you were not supposed to have no memory, or somebody's losing their damn mind. Somebody screaming and shit. Somebody's going crazy. Because you done connected the dots about the past, or you're coming into union, or somebody want to work with you. Take how it resonate. Somebody that at a distance, they do. It's like they want to come towards you and tell you something, or they want to work with you, but it's like you're going to tell them no because they could have did something to you in the past. Or something like that. I don't get like it's like romantical. I'm here. What is the damn? I think you gotta have younger kids for that song. I think it was out when my son was smaller. I know my granddaughter most definitely. What's it? A tootie top, a tootie top, a tootie top top. Thumbs up, elbows back, and feet apart, knees together, ass out. A tootie top, a tootie top. So somebody, either they walk like that, or they look like that, or they running around here looking like a damn fool. You hear me? Something like that. Take a rest day, or not listening to that song. Okay, thumbs up. Elbows back. You must got the weight. Yeah, your chest up. Look, arms up. What I say? Thumbs up, her arms up, elbows back, her feet apart. Whoever it is, honey, they could have played you like you were dumb, or they just had you with your ass up and your feet apart and all that old shit, honey. But it's like they want to work with you. Who is this, honey?